everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video was requested. I wanted to come on here and do a quick video comparing the Coach retail notebook covers to the Coach outlet notebook covers. So there are actually a couple of key differences, and I'll show those to you now. And the differences go beyond the price point. So the retail notebooks average about $95, and the outlets usually sell for around $49, let's say. Sometimes when they go on sale, they're a lot cheaper. Let's go over the retail notebook. So as you'll see, this has a turn lock, and the leather on this is really supple. When you look at the inside, there's a lining which does feel like leather. The back cover has a pocket which you can put a notebook through, and it also feels really nice, and it has the Coach story patch. And it's just about impossible for me to read because it's embossed so thickly. The outlet notebook has a snap closure, and the quality of this leather does feel different. It's nice, but it just doesn't have the texture of the retail. And when you open it inside, that's actually the back. So when you open it inside, this lining feels like leather. It does not feel like leather. And I'm going to show you the difference. It's not going to be very easy to see, but if you compare the two, you'll see there's more grain on the retail version, and this is a lot more smooth. So right away when you feel it, there's definitely a difference. This also has a pocket on the back. There's no Coach Creed. It just has a little embossing in gold that says Made in India with Coach. So I do have two of these outlet notebooks. I don't remember what this is called. This one is called the Prairie Rose. And there are some differences between these two releases. I had one that was plain, but I went ahead and sold that some time ago because I felt like I didn't need three, and I like the special edition ones a little bit better. So you'll see that the corners, now these kind of have curled a little bit. This is really more of a straight corner, and this one is rounded. It's very, very subtle. The biggest difference between the outlet version and the retail version is the retail version can actually hold an A5 size planner. So for example purposes, I have my 2023 Hobonichi Techo Cousin, and you'll see it fits perfectly in here. There's no problem, top to bottom. I could close it. I even have room to expand this some, and it's pretty thick. I mean, I don't have that much ephemera in here, stickers and whatnot, but I have enough, and you can see that it's not quite flat. It does bow out, and there's enough room in this cover. But it won't fit in the outlet version. So here it goes, and I'm going to show you. It doesn't fit. And forgive me because I kind of can't get the camera positioned to show you as well as I would like. So here's the cover, here's the planner, and it's not going in, right? Now visually these look to be about the same size, and they are the same size cover, that is. So I couldn't figure out what the actual problem was, and then I thought, well, there must be something with the pocket itself. So I took out my tape measure and I measured, and the pocket on the retail is actually from where it's stitched at the top to where it's stitched at the bottom. There's a 2 millimeter difference. 2 millimeters. This is 2 millimeters shorter than the retail. And that 2 millimeters seems to make all the difference when you're looking to use it for more than just the Coach refills. So I haven't experimented with different types of refills in these notebooks because I really haven't had a need to replace the notebooks yet. I'm still using the notebooks that these come with, but when it comes time to refill these, I'm probably going to have to get a Coach or cut down a regular A5 size. Not necessary with this retail version. So it's up to you. I mean, these are certainly useful. Definitely it's worth it to have both. But if you want something that's struggle-free, that's going to hold an A5, this is going to do it. So that's the main difference that I can find. Nice notebook. And I love nice notebooks. I mean, what can I say? But generally, I really love the quality of Coach stationery. I have 3 Coach pencil cases. This plain signature, and then to top them all off, I have Snoopy and Woodstock, which is going to be absolutely perfect for my Peanuts agenda. So that's a really cute little match. I tend not to take my larger planners out of the house. They usually stay at home, so I could put this into rotation and store some of my most used pens in this pencil case. And right now I just have this stuffed with some pens. These are pens that I don't use so often, but it's great for storing them. And I also want to say that this is identical to the Louis Vuitton Elizabeth, except the Elizabeth has leather on the sides and on the bottom, but it's the same size and the same shape, only this one is all canvas. Oh, and this is $50 compared to $500+, which is I think what they're up to now. So you be the judge if you want to spend that extra money. But I just love these. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope that this helps you decide which you want, or you could do like me and get both. No harm in that. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.